Hey guys and gals, Sweet Project Cars here, and I wanted to share this with you real quick. This was the plug on number 1 cylinder that was misfiring, and I couldn't figure it out. Even after replacing the coil, it still felt like it had a miss to it. So what I did was I pulled it out of there, and there was a hairline crack in it right above the steel. You can see it there, and I took my magnifying glass, 20 power magnifying glass. Julio, tell everybody where all the tools are located.
Buscar en el show más de la descripción del video para todas las herramientas.
Thank you, Julio, Cesar, Chavez, Rodriguez, Jorge, Johnson, Thompson. Now, I looked at it, and there was grease and grime deep into the crack, so the plug was cracked brand new, and of course when I pulled it out, it broke the rest of the way. But I put a new plug in it, and that van has never run as good as it's running right now. Now, I don't feel bad about replacing the coil because, you know, it's probably pretty old to start with, and it was only 30 bucks, and I feel good about the fact that there's a new coil on it. But what I'm doing this video for is to let you know, don't trust items just because they're brand new. Take a look at your plugs with a high-powered magnifying glass or something like that to make sure they're not cracked, because if they crack, that'll be just above the steel. It gets worse. So hopefully this helps you and lets you know that even new stuff will fail on you. And all I got to say is, Sweet Project Cars out.